Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus pala. Neptune. Uranus, Neptune.
Let's see if you're correct.
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Good job.
Saturn is
Then,
Fine. Sun, Mercury, next is Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, next is Saturn, Uranus, next is Neptune.
good job.
That's all.
Which one is the hottest planet?
Hottest planet is Venus.
Again,
Venus.
Venus is the
Hottest one.
hottest.
Planet.
Good job. Which one is the coldest planet?
Coldest planet, Uranus.
Good job. Which one is the red planet?
Mars.
Again,
Mars.
which one is the blue planet?
Blue planet is Earth.
Which one is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
Good job. Which one is the smallest and the closest to the sun?
Mercury.
Which one is the farthest planet from the sun?
Neptune.
Good job. Which planet has a ring?
Saturn.
Good. Can you name all the planets in order without talking?
Okay.
Ganda ka. Hindi ka na silit.
Daddy, how am I going to get safe?
Sun,
Daddy, stop, Sun. Daddy, it's my planet. Sun,
correct. Hindi continue.
Mercury,
Louder.
Mercury,
Good.
Sun, Mercury,
Not the Mercury.
Mercury,
Yes. And then
Sun, Mercury. Next is
what's next after Mercury?
Venus,
Mm-hmm. What's next after
Earth.
Venus?
Earth,
And then next to Earth is
Mars,
next to Mars is
Jupiter,
next to Jupiter is
Saturn. Next to Saturn is ano yan ulit? Uranus.
and
Next
the
is
last one is
Neptune.
very good.